Bird and Kip, Episode 16. A Big Loud Bird. It was early in the afternoon. Kip was just waking up from a nap. He stretched his arms wide. Kip looked down at Bird's nest. Bird was still asleep. Kip looked up at the sky. He saw something in the air. It was a bird flying over the park. The bird was very big.
Oh no!
Cried Kip.
Is that another hawk?
The bird was very loud.
Honk! Honk! Honk!
It cried. It was coming closer to the tree. And it was getting louder.
Honk! Bird!
Cried Kip.
Bird!
Cried the big loud bird.
Bird?
Said Kip. He was confused. Just then, Bird woke up.
Goose!
Called Bird.
Goose?
Said Kip. Now Kip was even more confused.
Bird?
Said Kip.
Do you know this bird? Yes!
Said Bird.
She's my old friend, Goose!